Hey everyone, I was playing around in Teams and I found this and I thought that I would share with you if you are interested in posting a message to multiple classes. Like I have 3 of the same class, and instead of copying and pasting a post to each class, if you click to start a new conversation and then you click this little A below it, it pops up and makes a bigger conversation where you can add a subject. So like I can add in like today's date or whatever this announcement needs to be. And then you start typing your stuff that you want to tell your class. But that way you can bold, italic, you can hit enter without it posting. Whereas if you don't do this, if you hit enter, it posts even if you're not ready to post it yet, which is kind of annoying to me. But you can also select whether you want this to be an announcement or a new conversation. I just do conversations. Everyone can reply, that way students can respond with questions. But this is the really helpful one, post in multiple channels. So right now, if I click select channels, it's posting in my first hour advanced algebra. You can go down here and click to have it post in my other advanced algebra classes. Then it will post in all 3 of those teams when I hit the little send button. If you already know this, awesome. I didn't know this, so that was really exciting for me to find that.